Hello friends, my name is Rudin VS. You're watching me on TechMerize YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox Samsung Level U Bluetooth headphones. So without wasting any time, let's start. In the box, we have a quick start guide. I'm not going to read it. We have earbuds. This is a hook earbud. I'll show you later. And we have one more earbud. And we have our headset. There is 3 buttons in the left side of the earphone: plus, minus, and a button without any symbol. This plus button, minus button, and this third button have multi-purpose functions. If you are listening to music, then this plus minus, if you press once, it is volume plus and volume minus. If you press twice, it is track next and track previous. And the third button can be used to pause and play the music. If you are getting a call, you can use the third button to attend the call. And if you long press the third button, if you are using an Android phone, it will open Google Now. It is very easy to pair these headphones with your phone. Just switch on this on off button. Then you can see that there is an LED light blinking with blue and red, which says it is ready to pair with some device. Then switch on the Bluetooth, then you are ready to go. Now, since it's connected with my phone, I'm going to test it in an extreme condition where there is hell lot of noise. I'm going to a park nearby a road where there is lot of traffic. So you can see how it performs. And before going there, make sure to use the right earbud. I'm using the hook, and you can see that it's not falling off very easily. Sorry guys about the noise in the background. I came out for a walk and wanted to test out this headphones, Bluetooth headphones, Samsung Level U. And from my earlier recordings, it seems it is not having a good noise isolation. And the good thing about this headphone is it's very lightweight. And another bonus point is whenever you get a call, it vibrates on your neck. So you'll not miss any call. If you ask me to rate this headphone out of 5, I would say in terms of bass, it is 3 out of 5. And in all other cases, it is 4.5 out of 5. It's a very good headphone overall. But if you're a bass head, don't go for this headphone. The final question here is it really worth it in 2019, considering that this model has been there for 2 to 3 years? One thing we have to know for sure is that it is a different case when it comes to headphones apart from phones. In phones, the trend changes in every month, but in headphones it's not like that. So even though it is there for 2 to 3 years, you can say it's still worth it in 2019. That's it friends, thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye, see you on the next video.